In this video, you're going to learn how to master Facebook Live for your business in 5 actionable tips. Facebook Live is your opportunity to access one of the world's largest audiences through a platform they're already using every day. A whopping 2 billion viewers watched Facebook Live videos last year, while getting 10 times the comments of regular videos and 6 times as many interactions. Because of this, it's in your best interest to take advantage of the amazing opportunity for business growth that Facebook Live presents. So stick around to learn more about our 5 Facebook Live tips for growing your business. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell so you'll be alerted every time we post a new video to help you with your video marketing. Tip 1. Only go live when you have a good reason. Whenever you go live, you should always have the intention of adding real value to your audience. According to Facebook themselves, the best times to go live are when you have direct audience participation. You want to create a genuine dialogue between yourself and your viewers in the form of interactive content. A mysterious outcome. With this situation, nobody, including yourself, has any idea as to how your live stream is going to end, which entices viewers to watch until the very end. A pressure builder. The viewers in this instance know what the final outcome is going to be, but the excitement lies in not knowing when or how this outcome will take place. Some great ways to use Facebook Live can include visually demonstrating a new product being released, broadcasting live events providing exclusive behind-the-scenes details of a big project, or even hosting an interactive Q&A session with your followers. Tip 2. Plan for failure. You should prepare what you will say, when you will say it, and what you want to do. Additionally, you should have backup options for when things go wrong. Things like hardware backups, additional Wi-Fi hotspots, and options for troubleshooting your equipment, and the like. However, the beauty of Facebook Live lies in the authenticity and the unpredictability of what could happen. This means that viewers will be engaged and feel part of something genuine that isn't overly pre-rehearsed in advance. Prepare your content, but embrace imperfection and be ready for anything to go wrong. Tip 3. Encourage interaction between your viewers and yourself. Facebook Live is a two-way street when it comes to communication. That means that the majority of your success will lie in your ability to constantly interact and engage with your audience. Fortunately, there are many great ways for you to drive the interaction during a live stream. For example, ask for your viewers' comments and questions, demonstrating your openness to answer them. Respond to your viewers by name and try to respond quickly to ensure they feel appreciated. Allow your followers to choose what happens next through a live poll. Consider some of these options and you won't go far wrong. Tip 4. Follow a consistent schedule. If you want to build a larger following on Facebook and get a consistent volume of views on your live streams, you must stream on a regular basis. With a more predictable schedule, you can grow a dedicated following on Facebook and create more excitement around your upcoming live videos. A schedule as simple as once a week at a set time can be plenty if you focus on providing relevant, high-value content to your audience. Tip 5. Where appropriate, promote your products and services. Facebook Live can be a useful tool for promoting your products and services, potentially resulting in greater sales. While this is true, sales should not be your top priority while using Facebook Live. Your primary intention should be building a relationship with your audience and sharing a message that resonates with them. If it is clear during the live stream that the service or product you're promoting is not to the direct benefit of the audience member, they're going to see right through you. So, before going live, plan ahead for when the appropriate time to plug may be. Bonus tip: partner with an influencer. When people purchase a product or service, they're far more likely to do so if it's endorsed by somebody they trust and respect. An influencer is that somebody, except they're perceived as the authority on a given topic by a very large audience, hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions. Influencers come in many different sizes and appearances. They're not all major celebrities like the Kardashians. In fact, having an industry expert that is well respected within your niche can have a positive impact. Partnering with an influencer for a Facebook Live event where they endorse one of your products or services comes with many benefits. They can attract new customers to your business, boost your brand's credibility significantly, and expose your products and services to a new yet targeted audience. If you want to learn more about using influencers as part of your video marketing, I highly recommend you watch our video on this subject titled Master Influencer Marketing in 5 Simple Steps. Well, we hope you found this video to be useful. If you follow our tips, you should see your streams on Facebook Live becoming much more popular and eventually more profitable. If you found this video to be useful, then make sure you subscribe to our channel so that when we release more videos to help you with your video marketing, you'll get notified. And if you need further help with your video marketing, don't forget you can get in touch with our agency at Spiel. Simply visit www.spielcreative.com. As always, thanks for watching and goodbye.